So it's pretty clear you want to buy it. But hold your horses for just a moment and let me show you all the pros and the cons of this product. So please take a moment, watch this short video that I've prepared for you. Thank you.
The very title, Manifestation Miracle, should give you a good idea about what this book is all about. If you said the law of attraction, you'd be absolutely right. But this book is about way more than that. Written by Heather Mathews, this guide is about totally changing your life. Most law of attraction books are written in a way to make you think that it's a shortcut. They want you to believe that you can get anything you want just by sitting on a couch and picturing your desires in your head. This is where most people go wrong and never see their desires manifest into reality. Manifestation Miracle puts the action into the law of attraction and shows you what you need to do. Visualization is only half the equation. This book is an online bestseller with thousands of copies sold and a long list of very happy customers. Let's take a closer look and see if it's right for you. Here's why you will love Manifestation Miracle. Weighing in at 159 pages, this is a detailed book that's comprehensive, and yet it's easy to read and understand. The book itself has a positive and uplifting tone that makes you believe that miracles are well within your reach. There's no fluff in this guide. It's straight to the point and gives you all the tools and tips you need. Hate reading? No problem. You're provided with an audio recording of the guide. You can listen to it while on the go and still get all the benefits from it. The honesty in this guide is amazing. While most books in this niche promise you wealth and riches beyond your wildest dreams with zero effort, Heather is truthful and avoids such hype. She even openly admits that there is work involved. You need to follow the exercises in the Manifestation Miracle, and you'll also need to put in the effort where required. The law of attraction will not work for lazy people. If you have questions, you can always email her support. Unlike most law of attraction books that you buy off the shelf that leave you to fend for yourself, you can get after-purchase guidance and help here. This alone is a fantastic feature of the Manifestation Miracle. The Manifestation Miracle will work for anyone. Your age, race, and gender do not matter. The law of attraction is a universal law, and the methods in this guide will help anyone who uses them wisely. This program is broken down into 5 parts, each of which deals with a specific component that must be done right to see results. That makes for much easier learning, and you'll be much more likely to see results. In the first part of Manifestation Miracle, you'll discover how the law of attraction works. In the second part, you'll need to ask yourself what you really want. Being focused and knowing what you want is crucial. If you don't know where you're going, you're not going to get there. The third part will show you how to inject emotion and desire when visualizing. It all boils down to how you feel. The law of attraction works only when your heart is in it. In Part 4, you'll learn how to expect the miracles to show up anytime now. It's all about walking in faith. If you believe it, you'll see it. In the last part, you'll learn how to make the law of attraction a habit. This will ensure that you live the life of your dreams while getting most of what you ask for. Here's what you need to know about Manifestation Miracle. Faith requires practice. We live in a cynical and skeptical world. We want instant results, but we have to accept that the law of attraction works on its own time. You'll need patience and persistence to manifest your desires. Visualizing alone is not enough. You'll need to act as and when you get hunches. Fortune favors the bold, and even the word attraction has the word action in it. You must take the required actions. You can only get this product online, so you will need a computer with internet access to buy and download it. Once you download it, you can print it out for easy reference. Here's why you should buy Manifestation Miracle today. If you wish to see miracles in your life, this book can help you manifest them. It doesn't matter if you want better health, more wealth, or a happy relationship. The principles in this guide will help you to bring your desires to reality. What's more important is that you combine the correct techniques with a positive attitude and a mindset where you believe it before you see it. Once you master the methods taught in Manifestation Miracle, your life will change right before your eyes. It's affordable, has tons of positive reviews, and is even covered by a money-back guarantee. You really do not have anything to lose. In fact, all you have to do is gain when you buy Manifestation Miracle today. Give Manifestation Miracle a try. It has been proven to deliver results. You'll thank yourself in future for taking this step. The life you want is within your reach. All you need to do is grab it today.
Cool, right? Click the link in the description for my price discounted special.